something sweet like...
Take them big feet of yours and join this circus, sister.
Cool, let me try. Look at her. Winslow'd probably say...
Hey, lanky Loretta, if you was any taller, you'd punch a hole through the ozone layer. Too pale. Too short.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Granny, your spandex days are over.
Oh, no. This is gonna be harder than I thought.
Yeah, Winslow doesn't really like anybody. How are we gonna find his soulmate?
You saved my life.
You were in trouble.
I sure was. Hey, my name's Cat. What's yours?
Dog with a duh.
Well, dog, with a duh. You're coming home with me.
Now I have a home.
And I got a friend.
And this is the way
all dreams should end.
One fine day with a woof and a purr, a baby was born and it caused a little stir. No blue buzzard, no three-eyed frog, just a feline canine little cat dog. Cat dog, cat dog. Alone in the world was a little cat dog. Out on the road or back in town, all kind of critters putting cat dog down. Gotta rise above it, gotta try to get along, gotta walk together, gotta sing this song. Cat dog, cat dog. Alone in the world is a little cat dog. Cat dog, cat dog. Alone in the world.